Hello guys, welcome back. Today's Tuesday and we are ready for another webinar from 5 to 6 p.m. So don't miss out. Join my Telegram now. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give us a thumbs up. Okay, let's go to the video. Just quick one here because lots of things are happening and we just saw Dow Jones and S&P 500, Nasdaq, all of those type of indices rising yesterday, going higher. And some of them were going 400 points even. So yes, a little bit of a tricky scenario because we still have all of the problems going on, but what's happening underneath this surface that a lot of investors are coming back with the risk on and not getting out of the risk off, because we were on risk off and now suddenly we have Bitcoin rising, S&P 500 rising, some stocks coming up as well. US dollar, somewhat trying to go a little bit up, and then we get this whole thing again. So what's going on? What's happening? Well, there are a few things that happened over the weekend that majority of the people are not aware of, but we had Wall Street Journal and Bloomberg releasing a headline that was saying that the tariffs won't maybe, I haven't noted down here what they say, but they say that the Trump's planned reciprocal tariff, which are set to be announced April 2nd, may not be as brutal as people feared. So there could be exemption for certain countries. They may not directly target specific industry like auto, semiconductors and pharma, as well as Trump hasn't reacted to this news. This leak, I would say. And that's making the market a little bit strange, because if Trump hasn't reacted to that, if Trump hasn't made a tweet or an X, whatever you want to call it, the market is already reacting risk on, buying risk asset, risk classes. What's going on? What's the actual point? Because if everything's still the same, we're going to be having tariffs, we're going to be having, exactly the same as 1 month ago. But just because of that Bloomberg and Wall Street Journal release, the market is now somewhat hotter than what it was last week. So a bit of a strange take here, but I guess, okay, that this is just a pullback and that the market will continue to fall in the next month, in the next quarter, because we will have the tariffs. We will get the tariffs on automobiles, on pharma. We're gonna get on meat, everything. So Trump won't step back. He did all of what he did to come up now and step back. Most likely not. It's going to be brutal. It's going to hurt countries. It's going to hurt economies. So don't get fooled on this, I would say, idea of not going to be as bad as everyone was, expecting to be. It will be bad. It will continue to be. So all of this market reaction of the risk on, US dollar going a little bit up, Nasdaq, S&P, some stocks, in my opinion, is just a moment, and that will be, seasonally adjusted, and the market will continue to fall in the next quarter. Remember, we're in the last week of the month, and a very interesting thing, because I was looking at the US dollar holdings, the US dollar, the currency on cash forward accounts. It was kind of interesting because a lot of people, international funds and hedge funds, they buy US dollar in the end of the month, in the beginning of the month, and then they sell after the month. All right, so weeks and days pass until the last day of the month, last week of the month, and then they buy US dollar back again. And then they do that again. They've been doing this in January, February, and now in March. Maybe in April will be different. We don't know. But there's a very, with the data that I got right now, 100% time, 3 times they did on the 3 times, maybe the 4th time is coming as well. And I do believe that we will have some uptick on the US dollar and then an down tick on the US dollar again until the end of April, okay? So if you like this type of content, if you want to know a little bit more what's going on, what's more in depth, come tonight, join me from 5 to 6 p.m. in Australia time. And don't forget to join the Telegram group, because that's where I will remind you of the webinar and I will send you the link for you to join me as well. So I hope you liked this video. I hope I could make some sort of informative move here. Don't get fooled. this is maybe just a pullback and the market will continue to crash, okay? That's my opinion, because gold has been reaching all-time highs again and again and again. All of this is just a scenario for me of a really big crash. Gold will continue to rise. Maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, but in the longer term, that's what it matters. We will continue to see gold raising. Okay, so guys, thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give us a thumbs up. I see you tonight, or I see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.